Hello everyone and welcome to another video. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 guns. Blue color, green color, green color. Nice toy. Let's shoot with the plastic ball. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow! Cool! The second one is the plastic toy revolver. Yellow, green, orange. Let's shoot with the Nerf bullet. Wow! Let's try with the plastic ball. Wow! How strong is it? Cool! Beautiful toy. The next one is police revolver. Blue, orange, silver. Plastic toy revolver. White color, blue color, blue color, blue. Let's shoot with the Nerf bullet. Wow! Let's shoot again. Wow! We shoot to the lighting. And last one, let's shoot with the bullet. Plastic bullet. Wow! So fast! Bye bye!
Like and subscribe our channel.